44. The War on Drugs. One of the clearest expressions of anti-Christianity in the United States today is the, quote, war on drugs, end quote. Drugs are indeed a very serious problem. Their effect on our country is devastating and evil. Yesterday, a man told me of a beautiful house he sold in a choice area. He sold it because it was so depressing for his wife. All the women in the neighbourhood houses were on drugs. They were well-to-do, young and able to do as they pleased, but the emptiness in their lives drove them to drugs. Whether in the slums or in the suburbs, empty people are turning to drugs. The only sure answer for these people is Jesus Christ. Nothing else can change their heart and fill their lives with meaning as can the Lord. Throwing hundreds of millions or billions of tax dollars at the drug problem has not worked so far, and it will not work now. Dollars will not save drug addicts nor America. Why have men in Washington not called on churches to address this problem? Why have they not recognized that the true results have been gained by missions to youth and to addicts? Among Skid Row alcoholics, the substantial results have been made by rescue missions, and yet in city after city the authorities work to hamper these missions or to shut them down. It's still true as of old, quote, except the Lord build the house, they labour in vain that build it. Except the Lord keep the city, the watchman waketh but in vain. Psalm 127:1. Nothing has changed to make dollars our saviour rather than the Lord. The war on drugs is an evidence of political and moral bankruptcy, and a costly bit of evidence.